Hello to everyone. Today I'm going to upload a video of the park that we have recently developed. I have uploaded a couple of videos about that park when it was under construction. So this is the monsoon season here. Heavy rains are coming and you can see that how much grass, the growth of the grass is very high. We are cutting the grass without catchers. And then it is collected with the help of rakes. And then we remove it or taking it away. These are the lawnmowers that have an engine up. The engine horsepower is 5.5 and the remaining that is a local engine, locally manufactured here in Pakistan. This park, the entire area is about 30 canal, and we developed that park in almost 2 to 3 months. There's a complete irrigation system in it, proper sprinklers. Its capacity is about 3 liters tank capacity. It consumes almost 4 liters of petrol each day. Each day means almost 5 to 6 hours working. And its cut is almost 2 feet 24 inches. Its cut, not exactly 24 inches, at almost 22 to 23 inch cut. The reel inside that, the blades, these blades, there are 7 blades in one reel, and we have some of them where we have 5 blades in one reel. So this one having is 5 blades in one reel. When you go for more blades, then there will be less burden on the engine, and there will be smooth cutting, and the finishing will be good. So these are the lawnmowers, locally made. There is a clutch system. These plates are actually the clutch system. So here is the lever. So when you go, that is the lock. That is the lock of the clutch. And once it is started, this is the kick engine. And these are the Honda engines. These are very powerful, and the cost of this machine is about 1,80,000 Pak rupees, and which is around you can say how much it will be, around $800 Australian, and US will be about yeah, it will be also that much. So 1,85,000 PKR, the current value. So thank you for watching.